This is problem 5-8, and here we have a person that is looking to have a $13,000 sum at the in 4 years. So we have basically a goal of $13,000 that this person wants to save up to, and we have a 4-year time period, and we know that she is willing to invest a lump sum today, so there's not going to be ongoing contributions, and we know that lump sum is $9,100. So basically, we know the present value, $9,100. That's the amount that she has to invest today, and we know the future value. We know that she has a goal to accumulate $13,000 in 4 years. So what it's asking for is for us to determine what the compounded rate of return needs to be for her to grow her $9,100 today into $13,000 in 4 years. So what we're calculating is the R when it comes to the 5 components, being the present value, future value, number of periods, and return or payment. We're really needing to figure out what the rate is going to be. So we're going to solve for rate. We know the number of periods is 4 years, and we know the present value to invest is $9,100. Then as a negative, we know the future value is going to be $13,000. That's the goal amount. And so we just want to figure out what that rate's going to be. So here we know that the result is 9%, and rounded to 2 decimal places, that is 9.33%. So let's check that real quick. And I'll take this opportunity to mention one quick thing when it comes again to the negative sign. So with Excel, or even with the time value money calculator, when we have a present value or future value that we're working with, one of these needs to be entered in as a negative sign, not both. So if we were to have entered the negative sign on the future value, you'll notice that we get the exact same result. So you can see down here, 9%, 9.33%. So it really doesn't matter typically which figure or value we assign the negative sign. There are cases with more complex problems where it does matter. So now is a good time to start thinking in terms of, again, of cash inflows and cash outflows. Think of storing money in your pocket. If you're going to make an investment or invest money into a bank account or investment account, think of the investment, the present value amount as your negative value, your cash outflow, whereas that future lump sum that you want to take and return it back to your pocket to do something else with, that is the cash inflow. That is the money coming back to you. In this case, that's the future value.